Good morning, guys. Oi. Good morning from Sahara, and this is the weather looks like morning 7 a.m. कुछ इस तरह से ऐसा नज़ारा हमारे होटल से 7 o'clock we have to get ready. We have to very prepare for our wildlife safari. Look at this. And this is the street looks like in the morning of Sauraha. We came from this area and hopefully we have to go from this way towards downstairs. And this is the entrance of the hotel. Peacock, a family run hotel. The place is very nice, guys. The place is very nice. The thing I would like to say about the hotel is very nice. Room is very spacious. We paid around $43 for 2 nights, and it's very nice. Clean towels, bathrooms, and we have Wi-Fi. The good thing about Nepal, what I liked it, we have Wi-Fi everywhere, and they have this QR code directly. You scan the QR code and you can connect it through. And even in the bus, when we are traveling from Kathmandu to Chitwan, they have a nice Wi-Fi in every bus. I never saw this Wi-Fi. Maybe in Nema there's a Wi-Fi Milaini. They have a nice Wi-Fi in every bus. It's big sofa seats, very big. I haven't traveled in this kind of bus ever until now. Best experience ever. So guys, we are ready for our first jungle safari ever in Sauraha, Chitwan National Park. And this is gonna be the output of the day. We just bought this jacket yesterday in Kathmandu. It's very nice, very lightweight. It become like this. इसको pack करो इतना सा बन जाता है weather good. But it's very nice, very warm. And I'm just wearing one t-shirt. That's it. Having the same jacket. So we have the same jacket from Kathmandu brand. So guys, this is how it guides in Sauraha. It's 7 a.m. in the morning and we are just waiting for our guide and wildlife jeep because हम लोग अभी जाएंगे. We will go through this river Rapti Nadi and we'll cross it with a canoeing boat and then we'll go inside the jungle. Hopefully the fog will go away for a while. I don't want to miss this chance. It's once in a lifetime. And then we'll go for 4 hours of jungle safari. And this is the entry things where we have to make the pass and permits. This small thing in my background. And yeah, we are waiting. We have 10 people in jeep and hopefully it will be very nice. So see you in the jungle. So this is the boat. We are going inside. From here we are traveling inside. We just crossed the river, Rapti river, and we have so much of herbs from elephants. It's very nice herbs? When we are, yeah, it's herbs. We call it herbs. And today is going to be very hazy and foggy day. Look at this. We have 10 people along with us. और अभी हम जा रहे हैं सफारी की तरफ जंगल को एंटर करेंगे. And let's see how it's gonna be really excited. But the weather is like, gonna show you. Okay. Hello. Hi Laura. What is up? Was magst du jetzt? Was magst du jetzt? Hä? And guys, just now we spotted a rhino. It was just even not 5 minutes and just we spotted this beautiful beast. Rhino is herbivore, sir. Look at this. And we have to be very silent because it's morning time and they are busy.
National Park.
Humanity crocodile. And that's a crocodile what
Danger crocodile.
eats humans.
Almost not see them,
Yeah, so many of them. So guys, right now we are at Government of Nepal Chitwan National Park Gharial Conservation Breeding Center. It's a breeding center for crocodiles, Turtle Conservation Program Kasara. And right now we are here in Crocodile Breeding Center. After a long safari, we saw Gaina, which is called rhino, and so many deers in Barasinga. And this is the entrance for Crocodile Breeding Center. Look at this mister. He's trying to come out. Hello. Really big eyes. So guys, this is what we have in Crocodile Breeding Center. It's nice. So check this guys, here we have all of them. देखो सुबह मौसम कैसा था और अभी कैसा मौसम है. Now it's very bright and sunny, and this was the same place where we came from in the morning. So jungle safari is over. Time to go back and have our breakfast, lunch or breakfast, whatever it is. But it's only I think 11:30 or 12. I don't know how much time. So jungle safari is about approx 4 hours. 4 घंटे का होगा. But it's very nice. We saw rhino. We got lucky today. We got many deer, different kind of deers, Barasinga, and yeah, but it was very nice. Monkeys, peacock, crocodile, elephant, and yeah, it was very nice. It was very beautiful. The weather was very nice. And now we have to go from this side. Our boat is there somewhere. And yesterday we were sitting there with a nice view. Good morning guys, और गुड इवनिंग. बज रहे हैं 3 और है अभी सेकेंड डे ऑफ एडवेंचर, जो कि है नाव चलाना. और हम जाएंगे एलिफेंट ब्रीडिंग सेंटर में. वहाँ पर हम हाथियों से मिलेंगे बहुत सारे, और उसके बाद हम शाम को चलेंगे डिनर करने के लिए बहुत ही बढ़िया प्लेस में. बाकी दिस इज़ व्हाट द होटल नेम इज़ पीकॉक, एंड द होल पेंटेड विद दिस नाइस ग्राफिटी. दिस लुक्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. The main part of this day since morning was to see the genda, what we saw in the morning. Khatarnak tha. First time I saw the wild genda in the sanctuary. Yeah, it was nice. Let's see what we are going to see in the evening now. And stay tuned and see you. Okay, let's it. Day 4 of Nepal Canoe Trail part 2 of the day. So guys, just now we reached the place from where we're gonna start our canoeing, and this is the check post, and behind me is the place from where we start our journey towards EBC, Elephant Breeding Center. How's the temperature here, Laura?
I don't know how to guess, but it's very comfortable and soft, and yeah, a little bit of wind,
Yeah,
but it's
it's cozy.
nice, yeah.
It's not hot. Sun is sharp, but it's not pinching. It's it's not like too harsh.
Yeah.
So let's see. And this is what we have. बोट जहाँ से हम जाएंगे इस एरिया से, यहाँ से होते हुए विल फ्लो डाउन. Yeah, and we have a small chairs also. And the nice fact about this boat is ये एक सिंगल लकड़ी जो ट्री होता है पेड़ उसको चीर के बना हुआ है. इट्स मेड अप ऑफ सिंगल log of tree, single trunk of tree. Yeah, beautiful. And we cannot put the hands there in the water and mix anything like this because we have crocodiles, and so it's not safe as per the guide. Let's start. Let's go. So from here onwards we start our adventure tour. This is
रिभर ल्यापविन र त्यो एसियन ओपन बिल. यो सानो चाहिँ हामी टिके चरा या त यसलाई चाहिँ वाइट ब्राउड वाकटेल पनि भन्छौँ. when you see the brow is a white color, white brown wacktail. That one is,
and here we have the crocodiles sleeping.
so that's critical endangered species. And
Look at this, guys. We are just surfing nearby these crocodiles, and they're the man eaters.
They eat only fish. We call fish eater crocodile. Different. ल यो घडियाल गयो है, यो देख्नुभयो नि, यो चाहिँ माछा मात्र खाने र सफा पानीमा
So guys, this is the skull of elephant and all the information about elephants what we are going to see right now. And just now we finished our boat ride, canoeing. It was very adventurous. You must do it. बहुत ही मजा आ गया. How was it? Laura, for you?
Nice, calm.
Man, it was kind of danger also. There was so many crocodiles sitting next to us. Next to us means on the left and right side on the banks. But it was very nice. So finally we entered the Eiffel Breeding Center, and now we have Sophie elephant. Look at this. This is the whole area looks like. And yeah, देखो. So this is the only one and only wild elephant here in EBC, Elephant Breeding Center of Sauraha. Look at this. He's just taking the round of all animals, and everybody is paying respect to him. Look at this. It's so massive. And he's looking at the crowds this side. Check this. This is a real encounter between the wild elephant and the crowds who is taking this picture. Rolando or Ronaldo. I don't know what's his name. I think it's Ronaldo. One of the biggest elephant. Right now, the Sauraha National Park have. So guys, this is the elephant breeding center, and look at these two baby elephants, and there are the mothers. यहाँ पर इन लोग के मम्मी ये सब. They are all the mothers, and there is only one dad. There is only one dad that I showed you earlier. And there he is. Can you zoom in? The only wild elephant we have it. Can you zoom in? No, that's not the one. This is the one. It's all mother. Yes. This one. Okay, left. So guys, this is gonna be थोड़ा डर तो लग रहा है भाई, हिल रहा है पूरा बहुत भयंकर. It's shaking. It's kind of a little bit scary, right? Or not?